Hello, my name is Yolanda Belisario. I'm member of the team EFRT of summer 2019, and our product owner is Dr. Masoud Sayari. Today, we're going to do a review of some user stories. Today, we are going to take a look to Access Forex account reports, EFRT 1600. The description of this user story is: as a registered user, I would like to be able to see all my Forex reports in the EFRT page. The acceptance criteria is: user can see all their Forex reports. Reports are ordered by date. User should only be able to see their own report, and user needs to be logged in. Let's run the project. Meanwhile, the project is running, I want to explain the code really quick. Basically, I had to create a new model, which is named Display View Model, in which I create two kind of links: the downloadable files and the directory files. The directory files list is the list I use to traverse to get to where the reports are, since the reports are inside multiple directories. In this case, it will be the path to get to it is basically the EFRT TP, and then the username of the user, then the Forex account, and then inside of that are the reports. I created two nested loops to traverse to those directories, in which I made the logic to saving all the variables I need to display them in the front end. Since one of the acceptance criteria is that the user shouldn't be able to see other users' user stories, we created this path in which we are forcing the user to only be able to see their own directory. So the user can change the reports, can change the folder, the Forex account, but everything needs to be inside their username. Also, I created a dictionary for multiple kind of files that the reports may have. Since we don't know if all of them are going to be HTML and PNG, I added the ones I found necessary. So in the future, if we implement more types of reports, we don't have to modify the code. Right now, the project is running. I'm going to log out. It logged me in automatically because it has already saved my credentials, but I want this video to have everything. So these are my credentials. We're gonna log in. The first page that we're gonna see is the index. Now, if we click here in the menu, we can go to reports. Before clicking in reports, what we should see on reports? I created the same path that the FTP server will have. This is in my local computer, but it's only one way of testing it. My user name, if you recall, is Y Belisario. Inside of it, I have the Forex accounts, and inside of each Forex account, I have the reports. In each folder, I have different kinds of reports, so we can tell that the files that we are seeing in each folder are different. Let's click in my reports. So one container was created for each folder, and inside of it, for example 1002, we should see this amount of reports. If we click on it, we can see it. The name is taken directly for the file name, so this is where the other teams comes up. This title, this name of the file needs to be very expressive so the user can understand what they're opening. When they click it, the file gets downloaded and you can open it. If we go back and we go to the other account, here, if we recall, there are multiple reports. The development of this code took more time than I anticipated, since I had to create not only the model, but I had to create multiple methods in the controller, and just getting the logic to work was a little bit of an issue. Also, I had to create the new view, which I call reports. Inside this view there is also some logic going on, so each container is created only for each account, and then the reports inside that account were displayed. Since it took a lot of time to create this logic, all that I mentioned, and just getting to know which were the appropriate ways that I had to do it, what were the security measures that I had to take, the files that I needed to add, also creating this logic to traverse. I didn't have time to work in the GUI as I wanted, so that's why I created a new user story for next sprint, which is called Design of Report GUI. These are some ideas that we share, that I share with Fernando, who is in charge of the visualization of the graphs, of the templates. But more acceptance criteria need to be added by the product owner so the GUI looks better. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our emails.